Let's learn how to unfollow someone on Facebook. First thing we have to do is to open Facebook on our phone and to make sure that it is working properly. In this case, I will use it by my browser, but you can use app if you have it on your device. If you choose browser, like myself in this video, make sure to click on the first link that pops up when you type in Facebook. After that, enter your email address and your password. Make sure to type it in correct. Make sure to log in the proper way, or else you will not be able to do unfollowing. That will lead you to Facebook main page, where you have to click on your profile icon. Clicking on your profile icon will lead you to your profile, where, between different various options, we need to choose to see our friends list, which will be under your profile picture. That will open your friends list, where you can find the people you want to unfollow. Scroll down until you find them. After finding wanted person, click on 3 dots next to their name, which will be on the right side. That will open you new menu, where you can find desired option under the name Unfollow. By clicking on it, you will successfully unfollow the person. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.